Welcome to DailyBuddy. In this video, I'll show you how to combine multiple documents into a single file. Fast, easy, and secure. After signing in, open the PDF Tools app and select the Merge tool. You'll need at least 2 documents. In the first step, select Files, upload them, either directly from your computer or from your DailyBuddy file manager. Important: the order in which you upload the files determines the order in the final document. In the second step, Merge, all files are combined in that order into a single document. In the third step, Download, you have 3 options: save the file directly to your computer, store it in your DailyBuddy file manager, or use Apply and Continue to keep working on it with the next tool right away, for example, to compress or sign it. Curious? Then head over to dailybuddy.net. Try DailyBuddy for free. No credit card required. All apps, all tools, ready to go. Whether it's documents, images, notes, or tasks, with DailyBuddy, you have everything in one place. Give it a try. We'd love to have you.